Today I'm making one of my 1-minute salads using a food processor. I call them my salad smashes. I'm using a Thermomix, but you could use a normal S-blade food processor or one with a grater attachment. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist. So I'm going to start by throwing in about 200 grams of carrots. I'm then going to add about 200 grams of peppers. I'm not really measuring, I'm just doing a red one actually and a yellow one, so I'm winging it slightly. Then I'm going to add the green part of the traffic light, the 200 grams of broccoli. Ta-da, that's perfect. And I'm going to add some walnuts to it, and then I'm going to put the dressing straight in. So I'm going to add roughly 25 grams of oil. I'm actually using hemp oil here. Next you add the vinegar. I'm going to add apple cider vinegar. I like this because it's got the probiotic bacteria in it if you get the cloudy one. Next, a teaspoon of sea salt, some Dijon mustard. I'm not measuring this out too carefully. Some fresh pepper. So now it looks like this. And in a few seconds, it's going to look like this. Ta-da! And like magic, you've got a traffic light salad. It's incredible. If you want to find out more about the Thermomix, jump across to Marta's _Thermomix_kitchen. She does loads of recipes and talks a lot about the Thermomix.